Hello guys, today I'm sharing few easy quick storage solution with you guys, like this stacking shelf at the Dollarama. It was I think $5. The quality was really good. Actually it's pretty heavy, so nice quality, sturdy, under the sink, awesome solution. Then this stackable bucket, I think this is really ideal for the small kitchens if you just want to use your vegetables or fruit, and also have a drainage hole so you can use it and then just flat it and stay away, put it away. And then this cute bamboo boxes, $4.25 and the 3.75. They're really cute, to Ziploc storage. I really want this one for a very long time, so I definitely buy this one, and I'm going to share you in my next video how I use this. And they have a really nice quality of acrylic boxes. So far, if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I'm keep sharing this video with you guys, so keep watching. And then this stackable bamboo trays, also really nice. And then the acrylic section have tons of choices, it pretty good quality. So $4, $5. So keep watching.